How to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your settings. On your settings, scroll down and go to General. On your General, make sure that your software update is up to date to its latest version. You can let it scan for updates. And after it says that it's up to date, you can come back here, scroll down again and go to Face ID and passcode. Tap on that, type in your passcode, and your Face ID and passcode settings should open up. Now what you'll need to do is scroll down, and there you'll find stolen device protection. Open that up. So if this is turned on, all you have to do is tap on turn off. And it'll take your Face ID scan, but after that, you will have turned off your stolen device protection on your iPhone. And it's basically that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.